Hey, it's Keto Granny. I had my first keto seminar and I am so excited. I decided to invest in myself. I got my keto certification in January and I have been putting everything together, getting my website done. I already had my Facebook page and my YouTube page. So I've just been getting everything ready to start. I was a little bit stage fright, so I went and I rented a room and I tried to market. I didn't market as good as I could have, and I learned a lot of things since I put out my flyers and things. So I'll have to do those things on my next seminar. So I'm excited for the next seminar, which will be in about 2 weeks. It will be in 2 weeks. So I only had two people that showed up to the seminar, but they were people that I had been trying to get to come to one of our other keto meetings. So I was glad that they attended my seminar. I gave away 2 digital ebooks and 2 Keto Granny transformation packages. So I had a good time. They said that they liked the presentation, that I did really well. And I'm really excited about this new journey in my life also. Um, I want to teach people. I found something that works for me. The ketogenic diet works. It has reversed my pre-diabetes. I don't have those issues anymore. I feel better, just everything. And so it's something that I want to share to people. I want them to know that they can get healthier. You can get healthier and you can be full and eating good, nutritious meals and satisfying meals. So that's something that I want to get out. So I am so excited. I had my first keto seminar and I did pretty well. I got over a little bit stage fright and I'm going to keep practicing and practicing and practicing. I want to say invest in yourself. If there's something that you want to do, invest in yourself. If you can't get others to invest in you, invest in yourself. Take that first step. This is Keto Granny saying good night.